Asibambane ngesikhamba nomoya.
Thank you.
Every second there's a love that fades. People leaving, but the pain it stays. Hopes and dreams they shatter on the ground. Promises and love, no, they can't be found. But I'm truly blessed for you have been here for me. I thought love had passed me by, thinking you. So I will hold on. You make me believe. See, I had given up, but you couldn't quit on me. Every place I go used to feel so cold. But then you came along. Tell me, how did you know that I needed somebody to come and fill my life? You came and stood by me. You made every sacrifice. Sweet lover, but I knew that we all were meant to be. So I will hold on. Oh, you made me believe. Yes, I had given up. You couldn't. I will hold on. Because of you. Tell me, what would I do? I'll never forget what you've done. You stayed by me, you're the one. So I'll never let it go. You wouldn't, I will hold on,
see visions of my life. Without you, I'd be lost like a child left alone, needing someone to calm his fear. Can you call me, please? As I glance across the room, memories with you begin to appear in my mind. Without you, I'd be lost. I can't explain how my love has grown. Without you in my life, I can't go on. I need you and only you. Are you standing there for me? So I can see love grow. I need after counting the days and long nights, being near to hold you tight, seems so far away. Oh, to feel your touch and hear you call my name, hear you say kiss. Here, baby, without you I'd be lost. I can't explain how my love has grown. I realize without you in my life, I can't go on. I need you and only you. Are you standing there for me? So I can see your love grow. You and only you and only you can make me feel at ease.
Frequency Affair, Middleburg, Norwich, 91.8 FM.
Touch me with your fingertips and make me shiver. Come lay your body down on mine. You promised me fulfillment, and you always deliver. Baby, you just make me feel right whenever we dance to the rhythm of love. All day and all night, and still I never get enough. In your embrace is where I want to stay. would stop tomorrow, girl, I'd be okay. 'Cause you take me to heaven, and we're almost there. It's where you always take me, and the time is near. Baby, I'm gonna be right there tonight. Oh yeah, you could do things to me nobody's ever done before. No, no. Show me things I've never seen, baby. The way you work me over, you know I gotta have some more. This is the best it's ever been here in my world. Girl, you're a star. Honey, I will come to you no matter where you are. If you should go, I can't survive, 'cause I'm addicted to you, body, soul, and mind. 'Cause you take me to heaven, and we're almost there. Where you always take me, girl, the time is near. I'm gonna be with you tonight. Yeah. When you're near, girl, I swear that the feeling comes over me, leaving me helplessly excited. Go ahead, wet your spell, darling, take me far away, and we can leave this world behind. So high, so high, you take me so high, so high. I don't ever wanna come back. So high, you take me. Leave me up there, baby. You see, we're almost there. It's where you always take me. Don't you know the time is here? Oh, I'm gonna be with you tonight. Take me out. I wanna go. Take me, baby. I really wanna be with you tonight.
Kiss me, I'm a oh, yeah.
I've been away such a long time. Such a long time, does it seem? So distant from each other. I wanna come back home to see. I guess you never really knew, baby, how much you really meant to me. I left you had more than general conversation. Oh, we were feeling so alone. Through absence from each other, yeah, made us think a lot each day. Still in love with one another, my love. I'm so glad I found out before it's too late. Oh, baby, I'm coming back to you. I get down on my knees, I'm begging you, please. Oh, baby, I guess you never really knew, baby, how much you meant to me. I left you for some selfish reason, my love. I know I expected too much, but now I see. Hey, I'm coming on back to you. Right back to you. Oh, I'm coming. Ready or not, 'cause here I come. I'm coming back to you. Ever since we've been away from one another, I get this pain in my heart, and it's telling me to go back, finish what I started. Oh,
Powder your pretty nose, put some polish on your toes, and then slip into something fine. It's our time, baby. Put everything aside. I'm telling you to let it ride, because tonight is yours and mine. You don't have to say it. I know that you've been neglected, more than I would care to mention. But tonight that's gonna be corrected. You're getting my complete attention, and we're gonna be closer than close, part of one another, so into each other. We're more than lovers, much closer than most, maybe even closer than foes. For now and ever, we're gonna do the town. We're gonna turn it upside down and then I'm gonna bring you home. Oh, look out now, baby. Think what I'm gonna do is get down and make up to you for all those nights you spent alone. You don't have to tell me. I know what we've got together, and I was crazy to abuse it. I want for us to have forever. There's no way I wanna lose it. Girl, I wanna be a little bit closer to you, darling. Part of you, baby. So much more than lovers. Baby, even closer than close. For now and ever. Baby, I just wanna love you all night long. Wanna trick you, mom, to get closer and closer.
Is it possible? It's just me and you. Tell me what we're gonna do. Oh, baby, I truly need you, darling. It's impossible that I can have your loving. Is it possible? You see, I truly need you, girl. Tell me now. Second time for love. Second
Questi affair, Middleberg, Namapetelo, 91.8 FM. Kiss Kamal, oh yeah.
Can't imagine where you've been. I thought my heart would never live to love again. What I see is so unclear, but I can tell that something's happening to me right here. I'm shaking, yes, I've been taken by the look of love within your eyes. If you want me, touch me, and I come alive. I know I'm ready for love this time. Give up little things behind. I know I'm ready this time. I must have been such a fool. I never knew what I was missing with you, my dear. And it's sweet just having you near. You can rest assured, baby, this heart of mine is forever. Can you tell? You got me in a spell. Baby, anything you ask me, I'll do. Ooh, baby, I know I'm ready, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Get out of the pain left behind. I know I'm ready, ready.
what you need. So listen.
Something's going on inside your life. I can see right through your smile. Pull up a chair and sit with me, and let's talk about you a while. So tell me all that's on your mind, honey. For you, I've got plenty of time. When you need a shoulder to cry on, you can rely on me. When another love has come and gone, as lovers often do. When you need someone to see you through, lady, I'll be there for you. He's hurt you once before, I know. How could anyone be so cruel to throw away a tender love like yours? You know he's got to be a fool. But don't worry, baby, he's history, and the future belongs to you and me. When you need a shoulder to cry on, you can rely on me, baby. When another love has come and gone, lady, as lovers often do. When you need someone to see you through, baby, I'll be there for you. When another love has come and gone, as lovers often do. Just call my name, I'll be around. I'll be there for you. I hope that time has made you see, baby, there's no better one for you than me. And maybe now that you are free, baby, this is our time. True love is the bottom line. It's yours and it's mine. Ours for the taking. Put your trust in me, and I guarantee everything's gonna be alright. Oh, lady, I'll be there for you. When another love has come and gone, as lovers often do. Just call my name, I'll be
The song before the one you play.
Yo con que tú te vuelves mañana.
Well,
And as time went on, I noticed my feelings starting
ready for love.
Yeah, thank you for that.
Ready.
agar wadi ko gola ja
Yeah. Oh, Rana Shah.
yeah
Given to your given to your sweet surrender. She doesn't even know the effect that she has put on my life. But it won't be for long before I have to tell her just how I feel. The feeling